Welcome back. Joining us virtually is local CPA Jeremy Bork. Jeremy, thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
Oh, happy to be here.
So, okay, Christmas is upon us, and we are talking about taxes and gifting. So, how does this come into play for someone that gives annual gifts?
Yeah, so, cash gifts, right? For 2023, the annual tax exemption is $17,000 per person. And I say that to mean if you're married, you and your spouse can combine give $34,000 to a person for 2023 and have no tax complications at all. If it's above that amount, you need to file a gift tax return. And there's no tax complications there unless you've gifted over $12 million in your life.
Okay.
Just want to point that out too.
Yeah, absolutely. And so what happens if you gift more than the annual exemption?
So what it does is you file that gift tax return I mentioned, and it reduces your lifetime exemption of 12.06 million right now.
Okay.
And then if you give beyond that 12 million, then there'll be some inheritance tax situations you might want to be aware of.
Okay, so it kind of opens up a whole other can of worms, essentially.
Yes.
Oh
yeah,
boy.
Correct.
And so charitable contributions, they're limited, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes. During COVID, they actually lifted this limit, and it was, basically it was 100% of your income that you can contribute. And they've changed that this year back to normal, where it's 60% of your adjusted gross income is the maximum.
Okay.
If you exceed that amount, it carries forward for up to 5 years.
Okay. And so if people at home are thinking of giving this season, what's like your best piece of advice for them?
Definitely gift them via a check, not just like a bank transfer. Just so you can have that documentation. It's like, put in the left-hand corner. If you're my in-laws listening right now, you can put gift gift to family member of $34,000.
So essentially check, no Venmo either, correct?
Correct. Again, but if you do that, just make sure you're taking good notes on the memo as well.
Awesome. Jeremy, as always, we love having you on. If people at home have a question for you, how can they contact you?
They can give us a call, 337-362-5005, or email me at jeremy@jborkcpa.com.
Jeremy, as always, thank you so much for hanging out with us virtually.